Have a good day. Hi, have a good day to all of you. My name is Dixie Galvez. The school district of Palm Beach County the announced the communication PBCSD, the Hurricane Center, the Hurricane Isaias. The National Hurricane Center has issued a hurricane warning for Palm Beach County, meaning hurricane force winds from Isaias are expected within the next 36 hours. The school district of Palm Beach County is working collaboratively with the county on all hurricane protocols, including the potential opening of some of our schools tomorrow as general population shelters. As you may know, district schools are a resource of the county that are used as shelters during emergency situations, as the request of the county. As such, the county may instruct the school district to open school-based shelter as last resort for those living in mobile homes, substandard housing, or those who are homeless. You will update immediately if the county does decide to open school-based shelters. In the event that shelters are open, guests will be subject to a security screening. Guests will have their temperatures taken upon an arrival and periodically while they are at the shelter. Those with a fever of 100.4 or higher will be directed to an isolated area away from those who do not appear to be ill. And all guests older than the age of 2 will be required to wear a facial covering during their entire stay. As Palm Beach County remains in Phase 1 reopening due to the COVID-19, guests would be advised to practice social distancing at shelters. Extra space for visitors would be allotted. On behalf of Superintendent Donald Ifinoy II and the School Board Palm Beach County, please stay safe and stay informed. The School District of Palm Beach County Advisory Council announced to all of you, parents and staff, due to the changes in the path and intensity of Hurricane Isaias, beginning at 8 a.m. on Saturday, August 1, Palm Beach County will open 4 schools-based general population shelters as well as a pet-friendly shelter. The shelter are only for those residents who reside in Evacuation Zone A. Evacuation Zone A includes residents living in a manufactured or mobile home or substandard housing. The four school-based general population shelters are in Lakeshore Middle School, 425 West Canal Street in Glade, and Palm Beach Gardens High School, 4245 Holy Drive, Palm Beach Gardens, and Palm Beach Central High School, 8499 Forest Hill Boulevard in Wellington, and Park Vista High School, 7900 Jog Road in Lake Worth. The Animals Only Shelter, West Boynton Recreation Center at 6000 North 3 Boulevard, Lake Worth. Palm Beach County has contacted all special needs shelter clients to inquire on their needs to be sheltered at the South Florida Fairgrounds facility. Residents are strongly urged to shelter in place it's safe to do so. Those utilizing designated shelters will be screened. Their temperature will be taken and everyone will be required to wear facial coverings. Facial coverings are mandatory for everyone over the age of 2. The county's Emergency Information Center can be reached at 561-712-6400. The number is staffed 24 hours per day, and residents can call with questions regarding sheltering and hurricane preparedness. For more shelter information, including what visitor can and cannot bring, as well as food information, please visit www.palmbeachschool.org. Storms updates. The Emergency Information Center o EIC 561-712-6400. Shelter locations opening at 8 a.m. on Saturday, August 1. Due to track changes and storm's intensity of Hurricane Isaias, Palm Beach County will open 4 general population shelters and a pet-friendly shelter for animals only for those residents that reside in Evacuation Zone A beginning at 8 a.m. on Saturday, August 1. Evacuation Zone A is for residents living in a manufactured, mobile home, or substandard housing. Palm Beach County has contacted all special needs shelter that clients to inquire about their need to be sheltered at the South Florida Fairgrounds facility. Guests arriving at shelters will be subject to a security screening. Guests will have their temperature taken upon arrival and periodically while they are at the shelter. As Palm Beach County remains in Phase 1, reopening due to COVID-19, guests will each receive additional space rather than the customary 20 square feet we have designated in previous emergency situation. Thank you for paying attention and have a great day. On July 31st, Governor Ron DeSantis declared state of emergency due to Hurricane Isaias. Today, Governor Ron DeSantis issued Executive Order 21-8 declaring a state of emergency in the following counties as Hurricane Isaias approaches Florida: Brevard, Clay, Duval, Flagler, Indian River, Martin, Miami-Dade, Monroe, Nassau, Okeechobee, Orange, Osceola, Palm Beach, Putnam, Seminole, St. John, St. Lucie, and Volusia. The State of Florida Office of the Governor, Executive Order Number 2181, Emergency Management Hurricane Isaias. Whereas as of 12 a.m. on July 31st, 2020, the National Hurricane Center reported that Tropical Storm Isaias has strengthened into a Category 1 hurricane as it approached the Bahamas And whereas as of 5 a.m. on July 31st, 2020, the National Hurricane Center reported Hurricane Isaias has maximum sustained winds of 180 miles per hour. And whereas the National Hurricane Center predicts Hurricane Isaias will intensity into a Category 2 hurricane as it approaches the Florida Peninsula and Atlantic coast, and whereas there are currently tropical storm watches in effect from Sebastian's Inlet to Ocean Reef, including Lake Okeechobee, and whereas there is a risk of dangerous storm surge, heavy rainfall, flooding, strong winds, hazardous seas, and the potential for isolated uh, traumatic activity for portions of Florida's peninsula. And whereas as a public health emergency currently exists the state of Florida as a result of novel coronavirus disease in 2019 COVID-19, and whereas the threat posed by Hurricane Isaias requires that timely precautions are taken to protect the communities, critical infrastructure, and general welfare of Florida. And whereas a governor, I am responsible to meet the dangers presented to Florida and its people by this emergency. Thank you very much for your paying attention. This is the Advisory Councils of Palm Beach School District County. Thank you and have a great day. For the Solid Waste Authority, there will be no pick-up garbage due to the emergency protocol of the Hurricane Isaias on Saturday, August 1st. Thank you.